What is up, everybody? Threads here. I got in Amazon haul. So let's get right into it. So I ordered in one of these Leatherman belt holster things. I have a couple of the other ones, but I really wanted one of these because it has the other spots for bits and whatnot, and the nice little snap. So I'll be building a little belt kit out of this. Also ordered in one of these lights. A little something to cut this open with. I was watching another guy's video and it gave me a good idea. They said you should have, I did not cut enough of that plastic apparently. You should have a light on your pack if you're out and about, so that you can locate your pack easier, and also you'll know where to go back to if you have to set your pack down. Ooh, that is pretty bright. This is the main thing I wanted, this red little SOS. So yeah, little light. Been putting off buying this for quite some time. No particular reason. They're not overly expensive or anything like that. Just haven't picked one up yet. This is the Case Sodbuster Jr. This one needs to be cleaned up for sure and oiled. Looks like it's probably been sitting on a shelf for a while. Just a nice pocket knife to have. So finally picked one up. So this, look at this packaging. It's smudge on there, but I did a, hang on, it's loud. So you guys may recognize this, the Gorilla. One of the fire starters I did the little mini review on was made by this company. The plastic is coming back to life behind me here. So I didn't know that they sold all this other stuff until I went to their Facebook and went to their website, so on and so forth, and found out that they sell a bunch of stuff. So I picked up this. Ah, yes, the gel of silica. Shipping oil and whatnot. Still got a little smucks right there, but that's okay. So this is D2, black with orange liners. It's just a small little knife. It's got some good weight to it. What else does it come with? Oh, look at that. Not even exactly sure What is that? Some sort of, is that magnesium? Or some sort of sharpening rod? Looks like maybe a sharpening rod. Yeah, it's a sharpening. I won't be using that. However, it does come with a Kydex sheath. Wow, that's good. Woo! Comes with some other goodies here. More shipping oil. Comes with a little Allen / Phillips head so that you can remove this or so on and so forth, move this around or whatever. I really wish this wasn't made into the sheath. I really wish this, guessing this is some sort of like diamond stone. I wish this was with screws where you could take this out. I'm not a fan of having it made into the sheath, but thought maybe it flipped out, but it doesn't. But it is what it is. Shot cord. Comes with a little tiny ferro rod. But you know what? Tiny ferro rod's better than no ferro rod, right? It's all matchy-matchy. It's not bad. This was on sale. I'll have to see. I'll see how much I end up picking this up for and put it, I'll put it somewhere down here. So they have it set up to be like a neck knife. It's really cool that it comes with a tool to take the ferro rod holder off. Again, I did not know this was here. Holtzman's. Just my personal opinion, I would not make this part of the sheath moving forward. I mean, don't get me wrong, I understand, but that's just, this should be an option, not a have to. God, that thing has some retention. I'm digging the blade though. D2, it's got a nice edge on it. It's small. Feels really good in the hand. Yeah, I think that spine is sharp enough to strike a ferro. I'm not going to do it right here. I will test it though. So yeah, that's pretty neat. So we got that. We got that. That and that. Not a bad haul. Okay, so pretty decent Amazon haul. Put all this stuff back in this fancy box that they send it with. Great packaging. That's awesome, guys. So, yeah, I'm not a fan of that. It's got a really rough texture to it. I'm guessing that is, yeah, it's like a diamond rod sharpener, but just flat and made into the side right there. Not a fan. Really, that's the only thing I don't like about this. I like the fact that it comes with the little mini ferro rod. Fits in there nicely. Got a little piece of shot cord so you can lock it in there. It's nice. I like it. Just don't like that sharpening stone on the edge there. Let's clean this up a little bit and take a look. I don't know why I've put off getting one of these for so long. I guess it's just because I have other case knives and stuff but I finally decided it was time. I see a lot of people carrying them, and I've wanted one for a while. There's some manufacturing flaws on this thing. I hope I didn't get taken on a... Pretty sure I ordered it and it was directly from Case. Funny thing, on Amazon, there's 2 different listings for this in this color. I prefer this color. I mean, I've got orange gear. I love orange. 2 different listings with about $20 in difference in price. Now that's not always screaming that one is a fake or anything like that, because different companies sell for stuff. You know, there's plenty of people that carry Case knives and they sell them, you know, on Amazon and on eBay and in shops, and they can mark them up for whatever they want. You know, Case sets a standard price, but if the company selling them feels like there's, you know, lower quantities available or whatever, they can put them up for sale for more if that's what they so choose. I did order the one that was less expensive because, I mean, if you're gonna, you know, if you're ordering something, you go with what the normal, you know, what the price is. Normally, not a marked up $20 more than the others, but I am not 100% sold that this thing is completely okay. I mean, it comes with everything. It's just, I guess it's just a possibility that this one's just, the QC wasn't quite as good. There's just some burrs and stuff. These have, I should have left my other camera on, but they have brass liners, and there's just some burrs sticking out. But again, Sodbuster Jr., this isn't their high-end knife either. So it's a possibility that's just the way it comes. I'll build this out. I'll do a video about this. It's another one of them things where I'm actually surprised it took me this long to order this in. I've got a couple of the other Leatherman sheaths, but I really wanted this one because of the multiple places to put stuff. Yeah, this one has the loops on each side, so you can have, you know, you can have a pen on one side, you have bit holders, you can have a flashlight on the other side, plus your Leatherman, just everything in one little kit. So yeah. And then this little light's gonna go on my bag. So that's it for this one. I will probably do a standalone video for this knife from Holtzman's. I'll try the little ferro rod and whatnot. But so far, pretty impressed. I like it. It's a nice little size. It's not too big. It's not too small. It's a three finger hold. But the handle feels really nice. The Kydex is nice and snappy. So yeah. Anyway, that's it for now. Sorry there hasn't been a bunch of videos lately. Just been crazy busy at work and kind of been doing some work in the gear room and doing some sewing lately. I've done a bunch of my little pouches and bags. Had to get some stuff shipped out and just really hadn't taken the time to sit down and do a video. So I hope to get some more done over the coming days. I've got some other stuff that I really would like to put a little Thoughts with Threads review about, and I want to do another EDC bag dump and like a go bag style video. Not like a bug out bag, but more of just an essentials bag that we grab and throw in the truck if we're going to go out into the mountains or whatever. So, till next time, guys, take care.